In this video, let's see how to schedule voice broadcast campaign. Voice broadcasting delivers pre-recorded messages to multiple phone numbers at once, providing an effective way to share announcements, reminders, or promotional content quickly and efficiently. Now let's see how to create a voice broadcast in Easify. To start, click on Voice Outreach in the navigation bar. Select Voice Broadcast from the drop-down under Voice Outreach. In the Voice Broadcast section, click on Create Voice Broadcast button. Then fill in the details about the campaign. Enter the campaign name in the campaign name field. Select Senders. There are two ways to send a voice broadcast, voice and message. In case of message, select the message option. Enter your message in the message field, and it will be automatically converted into a voice message. In case of voice, select the voice option. Upload a pre-recorded voice message and send it directly to your audience. Select a recipient from the drop-down, then click Continue button. In the Setup IVR section, there are dial codes from 1 to 9. If the user clicks on any dial code from 1 to 8, the call will be connected to the number given. Click the plus icon to add a new option. After adding a setup and then the user clicks on the dial code 1, the number will be connected with the assigned person. If the user clicks on the dial code 9, the number gets unsubscribed. Click the Continue button to proceed with the voice broadcast setup. Click on Schedule for later to schedule the campaign. You can schedule the date and time. Click Confirm to set the date and time for the voice broadcast. In the Voice Outreach section, click the Start Campaign button. In the Broadcast Campaign modal, click View All Campaigns. Here, you'll find a list of scheduled and ongoing campaigns. In the Voice Broadcast section, click the View button next to the desired campaign that is scheduled. Click the Preview button in the Actions column for the second entry. Here, you can view the broadcast details such as the sender, from recipient to voice, and a preview of the interactive voice response, IVR. Close the Broadcast Preview modal by clicking the X button at the top right corner. Thank you for choosing Easify.